When you think about interactive demos, you most likely think about using them to show how your product works, right? How the back end works, what it's like for a user, that sort of thing. But what about if your product creates an output or a front end experience, like a website builder, for example? In the example here, I want to show you how LoyaltyLion's not only using it to show how the front end of the product works, but they're creating showcases of real customer examples and making it so that they have customer evidence and proof that they can send people based on different industries. So let me show you how it works. So this is LoyaltyLion's Demo Center. And at the top here, you would see what you'd normally typically expect from a demo center. You have two tours here. One is showing what a generic front-end experience of their product would look like. LoyaltyLion helps companies, e-commerce brands create loyalty programs and pages, like front-end pages like this. And you can see this is a simple one that they've created. They call it like the LoyaltyLion loyalty page. And you can see how it works. So it's a tour that kind of walks you through what a front-end experience might look like, which is cool. And then they have one for the dashboard, like the back end of what it's like as an admin who's running one of these programs. But if you scroll down, they have this section here that's called Loyalty Pages, See Real Loyalty Pages by Industry. And this is really cool. This is what I want to show off. So naturally, they're selling to these types of industries: fashion, beauty, food and beverage, home garden, health and wellness, and pet care. I'd imagine those are the core industries that they sell to. And naturally, they want to show real examples of what these front-end pages look like, these loyalty pages. And so if you click on their fashion one, what it does is it opens an interactive demo, and they have real captures of real front-end loyalty pages that their customers have built, which is really cool. And this works really well with interactive demos because this is a real snapshot of the HTML on this page. So you can see what the full loyalty page looks like, and it's interactive. And they also, I really love what they do with the modals, which is just a very quick couple of proof points. So they gained 240,000 new members in a year through their program, which is crazy. And this one here, Pepper, they drove 75,000 subscribers, 45,000 in revenue with their program. And you can scroll through it. The nice thing too is that you're not creating a showcase and linking to their public site, which might change, who knows? A lot of times, salespeople share links to examples that are either dead or they no longer are live. The beauty of this is it's a snapshot in time, and you can take a snapshot of what that page actually looks like. And this tour is always gonna look like this, which is really nice in this case. So that's example in fashion. In beauty, again, they have these showcases that they've built that all live inside an interactive demo, which is really cool. It's a great customer evidence, proof type use case where it's a really valuable asset for your sales team. They can share real customer examples. It's really helpful for buyers because they can see what real front-end examples of these types of loyalty pages look like. And it's just a really interesting use case for an interactive demo that you don't always see.